Shipor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Lamphang ka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ka jila Thomas Sangma. Ulapin bana hapo Ïingdorbar ba an Pynsangeh no Shwa Shipor ka Dorbar kum kadak jong ka jing sngolam ya ka jing do no MP ka Lok Sabha na Shillong Dr. Ricky AJ Singkan. Hakani ka sngi ka Ïingdorbar ka lapinong tang ka jingkran halor ka jing do no MP ka jila. Hak balas dang ya ka da minti rangba ka jila ukan rat Sangma. Ublapin pau ya ka jing kendo Dr. Ricky Singkan bat ki kam kiba kile kendo ban penya chakmat. Kibadei bat kejela. Lai shimbentaru do nong yalam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma. Ubalapan pau da kabaong. Ngimdon kentien ban kran. Hendai ublei utip kambha habedei bat kene. Ai ba kamensiam jung unong yalam kanyo ikajinja thaj bom jukut. Lai shimbentaru da uba Charles Pingrop. Ba Meral Bonds iem. Ba Ranik Ton Ling do tongkhar bat kibai.
Took place this morning at 9:30 to take decision on the sudden demise of our number one Shillong parliamentary constituency member of parliament who passed away last night, Dr. Ricky AJ Singkan, and the BAC had received the consent of the government since it was the day scheduled for having the budget presentation today. So we had to seek the consent of the government, and the government has given us consent to adjourn the house for the day, for today. And the revised calendar is being prepared, and which will be presented on Monday with the sense of the house. Then I can announce you the exact calendar, the revised calendar of the house.
When will be the budget will be presented?
Most probably it will be carried over to the next day, which is coming Monday. Obituary reference in the house today, after which the house will be adjourned for the day in honor and respect of the departed soul.